My name's Lindy and I'm from South Africa. I'm here to help you unlock the power of language. Just as I love the thrill of mountain biking, the discipline of running, and the peace I find while bird watching, I believe that learning should be an adventure that starts with curiosity. That sense of wonder and excitement is what I will bring to our lessons. As a licensed learning tutor, my goal is to help you learn English with excitement and fun, no matter your age. Whether you are 5 years old or 50, I'm committed to help you with your confidence and fluency. I know how much learning to read and speak can change a person's life. I can't wait to share my passion for English with you. I'm so excited to meet you and welcome you to my classroom. Let's get started.